Well, I've been told, apparently, these peanuts are biodegradable. I have never heard of biodegradable packing peanuts, so I had to Google it. Apparently they're made of cornstarch, and if you add hot water, they will dissolve into nothing and are totally environmentally friendly because corn is biodegradable. Starch is just gonna turn to liquid. So apparently you add some hot water and they will dissolve. So we're gonna test this. I didn't bring a tripod today, so the angle might be a little bit weird. Here we go. Let's fill up the mop bucket with peanuts. They do smell a little bit like corn, I find. Just a little bit. Not as much as a dog's foot does. Like if the dog has the corn bacteria, it's not actually corn bacteria. It's some kind of soil bacteria or something that makes it smells like corn, and I don't remember why. That's nice and full. Let's go get our tea kettle, just heating up, and we'll see what happens. Alright, that should be hot enough. Alright, let's see what happens. Whoa, they're totally dissolving. That's so cool. Oh, and it smells like corn chips. Wow, I've never seen anything like that. Oh, that's so satisfying. All right, we need more. We need more. I need more. I need more. Wow. That is so cool. How are we gonna get this in here? Without making a huge mess. No mess allowed. Whoops. I dropped one. Or two. Oh, I dropped way more than one or two now. This is probably a good way to get burned. Ooh, they're sticky. That's not surprising. You're probably gonna need some more water. It says you could do this with just regular warm water. Like I don't need to boil the water. Okay. Let's try it with just water from the sink. This is just plain hot water from the sink. Yeah, that works too. You don't have to use the hot water. Or like the boiling water. It's a little more satisfying if you use boiling water, but it's not as eco-friendly. Because, you know, it takes a lot of energy to boil water. Check out one of my videos. Hopefully I remember to put the pop-up in the corner. But I have a video where I measured how much electricity it takes to heat a liter of water in the tea kettle. It's actually quite a bit. More than it takes to cook a pot of rice. In a rice cooker, though. Bye bye peanuts. Peanut soup. We're making peanut soup. I need a stick. to stir it. Oh no, we spilled more. Must not spill more because if they get wet, they will stick to the floor. And my hands and all of that. Wow. I love this so much. Making peanut soup, peanut soup, peanut soup. Apparently you can put this in your compost pile too. Because it's just cornstarch. Let's do one more thing of hot water and see what happens here. That's so much fun. That's so much fun. Peanut soup is so much better than styrofoam that lives forever. Well, relatively forever. I'm gonna touch it. Oh, it's slimy. Oh, it's hot. It's hot too. Not surprising. I love it. It's a perfect slimy. Reminds me of really soupy pancake batter or something like that. Like when you're mixing dough and you put too much water in. Way too much water in. It's pretty hot under there. Alright. I'm gonna have to rinse my hand off. But I don't want to get stuff all over there. So this is going to take some finessing. Oh no, did I just touch the lens on the sink? Let's rinse it off. Oh, it all dissolves right down the drain. Cornstarch. Wow. Genius. Genius. Genius, I tell you. So I know what we're going to do with this now. This is going in there. And we'll see what happens. Are you ready to come with me for this ride? I don't think I can set up my camera properly because I don't have a tripod. At least not with me. I didn't bring the tripod. Okay. That'll work just fine. Oh, got a little bit of cornstarch on the camera. Oh my god. That was so easy. I know I'm making a mess. Sue me. Don't actually, please. Imagine you could just put these in your compost bin, like your black bin. Not your black bin. Black bin is for paper. The green bin for compost in the city. Instead of dissolving, you don't have to dissolve them like I'm doing. I feel like I need some really hot water to dissolve the remnant and clean out the thing here. Alright, let's dissolve the last little bits here. Interesting. Some of it's being a bit of a pain to dissolve. But it's coming. I can't see anything. My glasses have fog. But yeah, that looks like that'll work. There we go. 2 whole boxes of peanuts down the drain. Now we gotta mop the floor. I made a mess. Oh well. Click the like if you learned something new today, just like I did. Anyways, thanks for watching. Cheers.